Challenge 1, broken alloyances. Let's take it out. First thing we're going to do, bring in a couple of Wastelanders, put them on hold, just leave them there. Bring in our Crucibles. There you go. Spread them out. They're going to clear the base for us. Nope, don't want you, I want you. It's a pretty easy and efficient way to clear the base. All right, they're out there. Put them on aggressive. Deselect them. Wastelanders will follow them up. And these guys will clear the base with minimal damage. We'll follow up. With the Wastelanders to take out the... these guys won't take care of floaters. So we'll take care of the floaters for them. All right, that's just how easy it was. There's one. Now I'm going to repair them. I'm going to go do two. They got very little damage. They had a little bit to start with, but very little. So we'll get them going. Let's see. 2 minutes. All right, that's done. Basically the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. With 5, I'm going to do something a little bit different. But 11 Crucibles. Give you some idea what they are. And then a couple Wastelanders. Same thing. Now this one you got to be a little bit more careful because these guys are too close. And if they start moving, then we got to be real careful. So we're going to bring the Wastelanders in and put them on hold immediately. I'm going to bring the Crucibles in. But you got to be real careful because they're so close. That it's hard to spread them out because these guys will start moving on us. So we got to be real careful. Well, here they go. All right. We're just going to get them going. Get in there and do your damage. The Wastelanders will follow them up. Usually I spread them out more, but I didn't have time. These guys just started coming. So let's get in there and let's do some killing. They clear the base pretty easily for you, and they don't take much damage. That's it. Okay, that's the first two. Let's repair them and let's do a 3. Where's our 3? Down here. Okay, let's go get a 3. Two minutes and 58 seconds. So they don't take much damage. Send in 2 Wastelanders. Give you some idea of what we have on them. I send in 11 crucibles. See what's on them. Let's take out a 3. Very similar. Bring in a couple Wastelanders. Put them on hold. Bring in your crucibles. Take care of these guys, then we'll go in the base and clear the rest of them. What are you doing? I want to do that. Okay, spread them out and go get them. Over here, come on. There you go. Go get them. And while they're doing that, the Wastelanders will give you protection. Wastelanders, come on. Get in there. Got to be done before they get to them. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Just that easy. Just that quick. All right, go back. Next one is 4. It'll be on our next video. So you see, the first 3 are not hard. Crucibles, couple of Wastelanders, and it's flat. What do we get for damage? Should be nothing. 10 minutes, but 10 minutes means immediate, instant repair. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Okay. So you say 430 repair, and then you bring a couple of more of these babies in. As you can see, it's immediate repair. All right, that was it.